Hello, all right. So today we are going to hear study about the style guide. What is a style guide? If we see in the earlier or in our daily life that if we wanted to present anything to someone or any of kind of thing, we are going to have like the structure, okay, or the some of the predefined values that if we wanted to make up any female, okay, like let's take a bride, okay, female bride. So if you wanted to get them a makeup or any of those kind of things, so like those peoples, those makeup artists who follow or who do a makeup, all of those kind of things, they had studied earlier about all those kind of things and do a practice about those kind of things, and they know that if we wanted to do this like the way we need to write or do those makeup, so same thing we are going to do with the variables or any of those kind of things. So here we have the style guide to style our variables, and for that we have got our there are three types of style guide where the programmers or the people like us are going to use while writing a program. The first type that we got here is a snake case. So what is a snake case? A snake case is a thing where you write the name of the variable and you use a underscore into that. What you are going to use? You write the name of the variable and you are going to use underscore into that, and those type that we call is a snake case. After that we get here the second type of style guide that we get here is a camel case. What is a camel case? Case told that whenever you are going to write a variable name using following a style guide, the all the variables or all the alphabets or letter that you are going to use there is in lowercase, and the last that we get here is our Pascal case. What Pascal case thought that whenever you give a name to a variable or any of those kind of things to a variable name, the Pascal case tells that all the things that you give here, the first letter or the first alphabet of that word is going to be a capital. And the most commonly used the style guide in our programming is we got here is our camel case. That is all about the style guide. This is very small topic, so you don't need to get tension, all of those kind of things. Just understand these three things. Snake case are those cases where you are going to use underscore into that. Camel case are the whole cases where all the letters and alphabets of that variable is in smaller version, and in a Pascal case the first alphabet of that name is should be capital. That's all.